In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed video on ClickFunnels. We'll keep this simple and clear so you can get a video onto your page in just a few minutes. Start by opening ClickFunnels and heading to the page you want to work on. Click Edit Page to launch the visual editor. This is where you'll place and configure your video so it appears exactly where you want it on your funnel page. Next, decide where the video should live on the page. Hover over the area and click Add New Element. If you're working inside a section with columns, choose the column that fits your layout so the video lines up nicely with your text and buttons. Positioning it near your headline or call to action is a good idea so visitors can see it without having to scroll far. From the element list, select Video. This drops a video placeholder into your page. You can drag it slightly if you need to refine the placement, but generally it will snap into the spot you chose when you added the element. Now open Video Settings. You'll see a field to paste your video URL. ClickFunnels accepts direct links from YouTube, Vimeo, or a hosted MP4. For YouTube, use the standard watch or share link, not an embed code. For Vimeo, the regular video URL works well. If you're using an MP4 you host yourself, make sure it's a direct HTTPS link to the file and that it's accessible publicly so ClickFunnels can load it. Paste the link, and you should see the preview update right away in the editor. While you're in the settings, choose the playback options that fit your goals. If you want the video to start automatically, enable autoplay. Keep in mind that most browsers block autoplay with sound, so if you turn on autoplay, it's best to also enable mute. Turn on controls if you want viewers to pause, scrub, or adjust volume. This is usually the most user-friendly choice for explainer or testimonial videos. Loop can be useful for short background clips or product hero shots, so the motion continues without interruption. When you're happy with the setup, click Save. Then use the preview option to see the page as your visitors will. Test the video by pressing play. Confirm the sound and quality, and make sure autoplay, controls, mute, or loop behave the way you expect. If something doesn't look right, return to Video Settings and double-check the URL and options. Once everything looks good in preview, you're all set. The video is now embedded on your ClickFunnels page and ready for your audience.